Okay. And we have the last one here.
It's the violin.
It's the violin?
Yep.
They put it so tight.
Oh, my violin.
I know you want your violin. Hold on, because if we take it out, we can break it. Do you want me to break it?
No.
Hold it. Hold it. Stay there. Stay right there. Right there. I need to take this out. Because you can hurt yourself. There. What color is your violin?
Red.
I have to take this out. Okay. Hold your violin. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay, now you hold it like this. You put your chin here and your hand here. And you go like this.
I'm the violin, Mom.
Okay, you want the violin, man? Now you have your violin. Okay. Ready? And here's Junior with the violin. Woo-hoo! Let me see your face.
Years ago, when I was younger, I kinda liked a girl I knew. She was mine, and we were sweethearts. That was then, but then it's true. I'm in love every day, even though it hurts. Nobody cares to the every day we started fighting. Every night we fell in love. No one else could make me tired, but no one else could lift me higher. Oh, I don't know what I was doing, but suddenly we fell apart. Nowadays I can't find her. But when I do, we'll get a brand new start. I'm in love with every day, even though it hurts. But I don't care if I lose my mind. I'm ready for
You play the violin too. In a little bit, I'm going to show you what the violin does, okay? Okay, let me show you first what your violin does.